Here I have Xiaomi Black Shark 5, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on three stripes here, go to its settings, and go to the watermark. So you can enable like timestamp and also device watermark. And now let's take just some photo to show you how this watermark will look like. So here you have like this Black Shark 5 AI triple camera watermark and also date and time stamp. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.